5 big mistakes people make when soaking chia seeds. Think soaking chia seeds is simple? You might be doing it dangerously wrong. There are 5 critical mistakes almost everyone makes. One of these mistakes could block your body from absorbing nutrients, leaving you bloated for hours. The good news, I'm going to show you how to get it right so you can unlock all the amazing benefits of these tiny nutritional powerhouses packed with fiber, plant protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. If you prepare chia seeds incorrectly, you could lose half the perks or worse, actually harm your health. Let's go over the 5 most common chia seed prep mistakes and learn how to get the best out of every single serving. Most people don't realize this. Chia seeds are only as effective as how you prepare them. Simply tossing them into water won't guarantee results. When soaked the wrong way, chia seeds can cause stomach discomfort, mess with your blood sugar, and even block nutrient absorption. The real question isn't if chia seeds are healthy, it's if you're using them correctly. If you recognize any of these 5 habits, you could be sabotaging your results. Stay tuned especially for number 5, which almost no one talks about but could explain why you're not seeing the changes you expected. 1. Using cold water common error. This is the classic misstep. Most people just add chia seeds to cold water from the faucet and call it done. While it technically works, it isn't optimal. Cold water slows down how quickly chia seeds hydrate and form that signature gel. In fact, with cold water, it can take hours. And you still might not fully activate the helpful enzymes inside the seeds. How to do it better? Use water that's warm or at room temperature, not boiling, just cozy. This speeds up hydration and helps release more nutrients from the seeds. Pro tip, squeeze in a bit of lemon juice, vitamin C, will boost your body's ability to absorb minerals. 2. Not soaking long enough or way too long. Here's another major slip-up. Some people soak chia for just a few minutes, while others leave them soaking all day. Both extremes can cause issues. If you eat chia seeds before they're fully hydrated, they'll continue absorbing liquid inside your digestive system, which can lead to dehydration or even a blockage. If you soak them for more than a day, they can start to ferment, creating a bitter flavor and making you gassy. The ideal? Soak chia seeds for 15 to 30 minutes in warm water. That's just enough time for them to absorb plenty of liquid without turning into a weird, slimy mass. 3. Choosing the wrong liquid. You might think it doesn't matter what you soak your chia in, but it makes a big difference. Stay away from sugary juices. These will spike your blood sugar and defeat the purpose of a healthy snack. Avoid dairy milk since the calcium can bind with nutrients like iron, making them harder for your body to absorb. Best alternatives: use warm, filtered water, unsweetened coconut water, plain almond milk, or caffeine-free herbal teas like chamomile or ginger. For an extra nutritional kick, add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, especially if you've just exercised. 4. Not rinsing your seeds. This one is often overlooked. Always rinse your chia seeds before soaking. Chia, like other seeds, think flax or sesame, can contain phytic acid, a natural substance that interferes with mineral absorption. While chia is lower in phytic acid than some seeds, eating it daily can add up. Easy fix? Put dry chia in a fine mesh strainer. Rinse under warm water for 20 to 30 seconds and then soak. This little step helps reduce anti-nutrients and makes your chia seeds easier to digest. 5. Storing soaked chia incorrectly. Let's say you soaked your seeds just right. If you store them incorrectly, you can undo all that hard work. Plastic containers can leach BPA or microplastics, especially when used with warm liquids. Storing large batches for several days can lead to mold growth if the container isn't airtight. Do this instead. Use a glass jar with a tight sealing lid. Store only what you'll use in the next day or 2. Keep your chia seeds in the fridge for up to 3 days max. And never keep chia pudding with added fruit, for long fruit breaks down quickly and can spoil your whole batch. Here's the smart way to prep. Chia seeds. Rinse the seeds first to remove phytic acid. Use warm or room temperature filtered water. Soak for 15 to 30 minutes only. Pick healthy, unsweetened liquids like coconut water or herbal teas. Store in airtight glass containers for up to 3 days. It might seem like a lot for such a tiny food, but these tweaks can make all the difference. Better digestion, more energy, less bloating, clearer thinking. This is how you truly benefit from chia seeds. Remember, it's not just about eating healthy foods, but about prepping them in ways your body can actually use. Don't let simple mistakes steal those benefits. You don't need hours of soaking or expensive juices. Just rinse, soak smart, use the right liquid, and store correctly. That's all it takes. Tiny habits done right are way more powerful than big ones done wrong. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. For more straightforward, down-to-earth health tips, subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss out. How do you use chia seeds? Smoothies? Overnight puddings? Straight in your yogurt? Share your favorite way in the comments. I read them all and try to reply as much as I can.